Hello everyone, this is Samuel from Lexadept law firm. In this video, I'm going to take a demo of the patent tool which is available for free download from our law firm website. I have also given the download link below in the description. This tool is aimed to help patent searchers and patent practitioners while they are processing the patent result data in an Excel file. So basically this is an Excel macro tool with a few functions like hyperlinking the publication number to espacenet or Google Patents, marking duplicates, formatting the dates, and then removing hyperlinks, combining few data using a delimiter, or splitting a value which is actually combined with delimiter. The tool also comes with a help file which has a basic overview what the tool will do and how to use the tool. So now in this video I will be taking you first through how to install the tool and then how to use the various menus under the tool. For this demo purpose, I have created a sample Excel file with publication numbers and date columns. So first let us see how to install the patent tool. So after downloading the file from the website, you can save the file in a public folder like desktop or my documents or in a specific folder. And then under the file menu, you have to select the options button, and under the options we have to select the add-ins menu and click go in the manage Excel add-in section. Browse for the file. In this case I have saved the file in the desktop, so I'm selecting the file and then click on OK. Since I have already installed this tool in my Excel, it's asking for a replacement. I'm clicking yes, and once installed, this pattern tool will be populated under the add-in section, and you can see all the menus of the pattern tool under the add-in section. So now we are going to explore these menus one by one. The first menu, which is named as Google Pat, will hyperlink the selected publication number to Google Patents. For this, first I am selecting the publication number column. I'm selecting all the publication numbers and then I'm clicking on this tool, and it has added all the hyperlinks, and you will also get a prompt saying like the hyperlinks are attached successfully. So you can click on any of the publication numbers and you can see this publication number is automatically hyperlinked to the Google Patents for the particular publication number. So you can actually you can select n number of publication numbers at a single go, and you can attach the hyperlinks. So now I am going to remove these hyperlinks using the remove links macro so that we can use the next menu hyperlinking to espacenet. So I have removed the hyperlinks and I am selecting the publication numbers again, and then I am clicking on the espacenet menu. So once it has attached the hyperlinks, we can check like whether the hyperlinks are attached. So it takes you to the particular patent publication in the espacenet database. So I'm going back to the sample file. So third menu is for the formatting of dates. So normally there is a confusion when the date is given in this format. So while we are downloading from various patent databases, the date formats will be completely different. So in order to have a standard formatting, so I have used DDMMM followed by YYY. So this will be like remove all the confusions in the date format. So to do this date formatting, I'm selecting this column. You can select more than one columns also, and then I'm applying this date format. So it will automatically change the date format to the standard format, which will be like very clear date format. And then coming to the next menu, it is like mark duplicates. So if you have a publication number duplicate, or if you have any columns with a duplicate value, actually you can check this mark duplicate menu. So basically this function is already available in Excel 2010 and above under the conditional formatting menu. But here, just to make our life easier, I have used this menu. So I'm just creating some duplicate values, and then so I'm just selecting that particular column, and I'm clicking on the menu for marking the duplicates. So here you can see these pattern numbers are already available as duplicates. So this will help you to check any values in a column which is a duplicate value, and it will highlight it in red color so that you can later on keep one of the values and delete the other value. Let's move on to the next menu. The next menu is like combine the values with a delimiter. So this will be useful when you have many values and you want to combine them. For example, if you have a number of pattern numbers and you want to combine them with or with some other delimiter, you can try this menu. So I'm just selecting all the publication number and I want them to combine using or the various delimiters which are already built in are like or and space and then pipe. Alt enter is for line break and then comma and not, and even if you want to add any other particular delimiter you can add it here. So now I am using or and I'm clicking on OK. So this one will form combine the list in a cell just below the selection. So here you can see all the pattern numbers are combined using the delimiter I have selected. So let's move on to the next menu. So next menu is for splitting the combined values. So here actually I am using this inventor column for the demo. So which is actually having values splitted with semicolon. So I am just selecting the whole column and then I am using the split menu. So it will ask for the destination cell address. So I am just giving the address as I3, and then it will ask for the delimiter character. So here the delimiter is semicolon, and then if I click OK, so all those values which are combined using the delimiter will be given as single values in the location wherever you are selecting the location. It will actually delimit. It will split the values into separate cells. So this can be handy when you want to do some sort of inventor analysis, or if you want to do some sort of charts using assignees or inventors. This will be very helpful. And the next menu is like remove kind codes. So if you want to remove the kind codes for the publication numbers, actually you can use this menu. And if you click on the remove kind codes, so all the kind codes will be removed. We have seen the remove links earlier. So it can remove any hyperlink, not only hyperlinks of publication numbers. Even if you have any other hyperlinks attached to the Excel file, you can use this handy tool and it will automatically remove the hyperlinks. I have also given a small help file. So here actually you can see like what are the features of these menus and what they will do. It will give you some idea. And the final button is like will take you to our law firm website. Hope you have learned through this video how to use this tool. Kindly subscribe our channel for further updates of this tool and for any other tools which will be helpful for the patent community.